Hello everyone. Welcome to this tutorial on the Floyd Warshall algorithm. Today, we are going to learn how to solve the all pairs shortest path problem in a very elegant way. This is a classic dynamic programming algorithm that every programmer should know. So, what exactly is Floyd Warshall? It is an algorithm designed to find the shortest paths in a weighted graph. But here is the key difference from algorithms like Dijkstra. Floyd Warshall computes the shortest path between every single pair of vertices in the graph, not just from a single starting point. Let's look at the input and output. We start with an adjacency matrix representing the direct edge weights between nodes. If there is no edge, we represent the distance as infinity. The algorithm processes this and transforms it into a matrix where every cell represents the shortest possible distance between two nodes, considering all possible intermediate paths. The core intuition behind this algorithm is simple yet powerful. Imagine you want to travel from node I to node J. The question is, can we find a faster route by going through an intermediate city? Let's call it K. If the path from I to K plus the path from K to J is shorter than our current best known path, we should update our route. This intuition leads us to the famous recurrence relation. The distance from I to J is the minimum of two values. Either the current known distance from I to J, OR, the distance from I to K plus the distance from K to J. We perform this check for every possible intermediate node K. Implementation is where Floyd Warshall really shines. It is incredibly concise. We use 3 nested loops. The outer loop iterates through every possible intermediate vertex, K. The inner 2 loops iterate through every source node I and every destination node J inside. We just apply the relaxation formula we just saw. Before running the algorithm, initialization is crucial. We set up a 2D matrix. The distance from any node to itself is 0. The distance between directly connected nodes is the edge weight. And for all other pairs where there is no direct connection, we set the distance to infinity. Let's talk about efficiency. Because we have 3 nested loops each running from 1 to v, the time complexity is big O of v cubed. The space complexity is big O of v squared, as we need a 2D matrix to store the distances. This makes it perfect for small to medium-sized graphs. An interesting property of this algorithm is its ability to detect negative cycles. If, after running the algorithm, the distance from any node to itself becomes negative, it means the graph contains a negative cycle. This is because a path from a node back to itself should never be less than 0 unless a negative loop exists. To summarize, Floyd Warshall is your go-to algorithm for all pairs' shortest paths. It handles negative weights gracefully, is very easy to implement with just a few lines of code, and works best on dense graphs where the number of edges is high. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.